Welcome back, everybody. July 17th. Yeah, I'm on a frontage road, so that's what they call these little roads beside the highway, is a frontage road. But they suck, especially this one, since you're doing all this repair. That's Interstate 10. I think that's west. And this is it. This is the final ride. Of the Can-Am Spyder. Until I get back from Ohio. So the final ride as a single person. I'm leaving for Ohio to get married. And yeah, have to run some errands. And she is in Little Red Race Car because her car's in the shop. And I am taking the Spyder, which is wonderful because I need to ride the Spyder more anyway. And this is telling me to get on the highway. I think I'm not going to get on the highway. I think I am 1,000 feet, turn left. I think I will get on the highway because this road is a ton of construction and there's big boulders on this road. So we'll jump on the highway just to run up a mile and we're going to have right back off again. You know, we're not. We're going to just stay here. They're all doing that. So let's just do this. And we will stay down here and watch out for the construction stuff. But yeah, see, we're going about the same speed. Yeah, you know. But yeah, still chilling in San Antonio. It's 11:15 and it's 93 degrees. Welcome to Texas, people. It's kind of warm down here. Not as warm as I thought it was going to be coming from Ohio. But yeah, it's pretty blasted warm at times. And since I am just going to do some errands, I even walked out not even putting my gloves on, so my hands feel really weird on the bars. We're gonna catch up with the semis. But it's okay, because right over this hill, we will be turning left. So we are good. And they're turning. They're getting out of my way. They saw us coming. They're scared of the little Sabo. Talk about just stopping. And then cars are entering and exiting right on the other side of this big embankment of craziness, so it's difficult. Look at all this lovely gravel. See, we're good. So we would have came off the highway right there, you know. It would have been a little quicker, yeah, but it's okay. We'll just stay over here on this lovely little road and try not to bottom out the Spyder. There we go. We'll come up here, we're going to turn left, and you know, the Spyder's running pretty good. I really need to do something about that alignment. I think I'm going to reach out to the shop again and see if they were serious about a $500 alignment, because that is ridiculous. And if they say yeah, then we're going to be doing some tape, measuring tape alignment on this thing. We're going to get these tires towed in at least a little bit, because it's towed out so bad. And if we can just make it a little bit better for now, I will be happy with that. And this gas station that's coming in, it looks like they're going to serve non-ethanol gasoline. I don't know what brand or, you know, what octane. Watch it be 87. But yeah, because it says unleaded, no ethanol, and diesel. So kind of cool. QT Kitchen. So QT is quick stop, I think. Yeah, something like that. And we're going to come up over 10, and we're going to go down this road, and we're going to turn right. Oh, there's a jet taking off from Randolph. You probably won't be able to see it. But yeah, Air Force Base just to my left. And they do a lot of training there for the U.S. Air Force. They have fast airplanes and slow airplanes. That was a fast airplane. And then they got prop airplanes. I see them buzzing around the house all the time. The jets hardly ever fly over. Every once in a while they do, and it's awesome. Thing is moving. It gone. It's banking. It's banking. It's coming back. Yep. It literally is doing a loop. But I need to pay attention so I don't do a loop. Oh, this is the Honda that was it was in front of us and jumped on the highway. So taking that road had no change on where I would be heading to my appointment. Crazy, huh? And I'm glad that I'm back on the Spyder. You know, I have not been riding the Spyder as much as I've wanted to, and this, I mean, it forces me is a hard phrase, but it's forcing me to get on the Spyder. Oh, look at that one. It gone. It gone. It was sideways. It was showing us his belly. That's cool. Hopefully the camera picked that one up. But yeah, the Air Force Base is literally right there. That would kind of suck to be these houses, maybe. Hearing these jets fly over such low. But, I mean, I would dig it. I would sit in my backyard and put a lawn chair up and just watch the jets take off. I could do that. I'd be happy doing that. Goodbye. These roads, man. I am still not used to these roads. They're just not in good shape. At all. At all are these roads in good shape. And everywhere you go, they're just building houses. Everywhere they're building houses. But I'm learning a lot about the housing market down here. And not only the housing market, but then what to look for. So our realtor went out and bought us some balls to have. Sounds weird, I know, but since everything is on a slab down here, if it's not carpeted, what you do is you drop a ball in the house and you watch it roll around, and if it rolls to one corner, then you might be having some foundation issues. And it's crazy the amount of foundation issues down here, and I discovered what it is. So watching the awesome YouTube and people on the YouTube, since it's so dry down here, yes, we're in southern Texas, and it's not humid like Houston or in Louisiana or even in Ohio. It's fairly dry. It's just hot as all get out. So it's so dry that then the ground dries out and it contracts, and then you get moisture and it expands back up. But as it contracts, it pulls away from foundations, and then you have a void. Oh, look at that. He's got lockers in that thing. Had to have lockers. That bucket was pretty up in the air for him only having the right front tire, left front tire and right rear tire. But yeah, so as the ground contracts, as it dries, it pulls away from the foundations, and then you have a void, and then these slabs start falling down into the void. One of the houses we looked at, they told us they had to raise it 3 inches. Another one, they actually had to pour new steps because they had to raise it so high. It was like a 6-inch step. Needless to say, the one that was raised 6, we kind of walked away from that one really quick. And we'll see about the other one. But yeah, I mean, real life stuff, huh? Not exciting like riding a Can-Am Spyder, but you know, that would be a very hot job. And then I noticed people down here, like our mailman, I think he's a man, our mailman or mail person, whatever you want to say, whatever. Everybody wears masks and head coverings, and like everything is covered on them.
So he wears a big hat to keep the sun off of him, and then he wears a face protector, kind of like a gaiter that you have around your neck, but he pulls it up so all you can see is his eyeballs. You can't see ears, anything. And then he's in a long sleeve buttoned up, and then he's in gloves and long pants. It's like, how do you do that, dude? It is hot out, and you are just covered from head to toe. That was an email for me or a text. I need to get where I'm going and read that one. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. You see that? Looking at the water like, oh, look at that. There's water on the side of the road. Like, I'm not used to seeing water. I came from Ohio. All it does is rain there. So yeah, that's it. This is going to be the vlog today. We're just riding to an appointment, hopping on an airplane today, later today. It's 11:30 our time almost, and we're hopping on an airplane at 3:30, 4 o'clock in through there sometime. So a lot to do in a short amount of time. And what am I doing? I'm out on my Spyder. Yeah. Well, wonderful, huh? Somebody asked if we were going to, someone at work asked if we were going to take the Spyder back to Ohio. I was like, no. I don't know how many days that would be. 4 days maybe to get back to Ohio. I don't think I could do it in 3. It takes me 2 in a car to get down here. It would be hot too, because I mean, you wouldn't get any relief at all this time of year. Oh, another airplane, another jet. I hear it. This was definitely the wrong way to go, I think. I should have went at 1604 to 78. Looky, we got a squiggly road sign. That's always good. Keep hearing airplanes. They must be behind me. That's what sucks. I hear them. I want to see them. Close the old visor down. But yeah, no, the Spyder's doing good except for that alignment. And I have the tools. I just need to put a back tire on it and get these things towed in just a little bit. Just a little bit. See what happens, you know. Oh yeah, see, there's the base right there. It's a Randolph. This is going to take us up to 78, and I'm going to follow 78, and then I'm going to turn left, and I'm going to go up over road tracks, and I'm going to be where I'm supposed to be. And then I'm going to head home and finish packing. I got to pack up my office. I bought some portable screens, and I know people really don't care, but anybody that works from home, I jumped on Amazon and got some 15-inch portable screens. Got 2 of them. So I have a very mobile office, which is awesome, giving me the ability to work from Lancaster. I hear something going on, but I definitely can't see it. Landing, taking off, something behind me. Universal and shirts. That's not how I spell shirts, but then again, we're in Bexar County and they spell it with an X.
And this is FM or Farm to Market 78. So I think I'll let everybody go, and I'm gonna listen to some tunes. It was definitely just rambling today. That's all it is. I mean, this is going to be the last time I ride this Spyder, so I wanted to get that out there. But yeah, stay tuned. How-to videos to come, I promise. Oh, you look at that. Buick does not know how to drive. They're gonna come in front of everybody right here. So big old thumbs up if you like the ramblings from a fat man in San Antonio today. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you down the road.